and welcome to the Great Tech Quiz, brought to you by Cloud Career Mentor. I'm your host, Sarah Mackenzie, and I'm joined by another 3 aspiring tech professionals who are here to battle it out for their chance to get their hands on that scholarship from the reputable Cloud Career Mentor programme. The winner of this episode will make it through to the final and battle it out against the winners of the other episodes in the series to win that prestigious scholarship worth £3,000. The scholarship will help them learn the technical skills and build cloud projects that will help them break in to the cloud industry. Let's meet those contestants. Hello, can you tell me where you're from, your name, and of course, hit that buzzer.
My name is Valentine and I'm from Southgate, London.
Thanks, Val.
Hi, my name is Tom. I live in East London and...
Excellent. And finally...
Hi, my name is Michael. I'm from Birmingham and...
Okay, the buzzers are working. We've met our contestants. So let's get started with round 1, the starter round. In this round, I'm going to ask each contestant 3 multiple choice questions, and their scores will be added on to their individual total. Make sure you play along at home. If you know the answer, drop it in the comments and keep score to see how you get on. All right, let's get going with the starter round. Okay, Val, you're going to go first.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I think so. Yeah.
Of course you are. All right, your first question.
Okay.
What does HTTP stand for? Is it A, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, B, High Text Transfer Protocol, C, Hyperlink Transfer Process, or D, Hypertext Transfer Program?
A.
Correct. Well done. Okay, good start, Val. On to question 2. What is the primary function of object lifecycle management in cloud storage? Is it A, to encrypt data before storing it in the cloud? B, to automate the transition of data between storage tiers based on defined rules? C, to scale storage automatically based on demand? Or D, to replicate data across multiple regions for redundancy?
D.
Incorrect. It was, in fact, B. So D, replication is separate from object lifecycle management. Not to worry, you've got one more to try and get another point. Question 3. What does the touch command do in Linux? A, deletes a file. B, displays file contents. C, creates an empty file if it doesn't exist. Or D, moves a file.
B.
Incorrect. It was actually C. It changes the modification timestamp of a file and creates an empty file if it doesn't exist. Don't worry, Val, you at least got 1 point there, but that's early days, so we can get more. All right, Tom, are you ready?
Yep.
Excellent. Question 1. What is the primary function of a firewall? A, to provide antivirus protection. B, to filter incoming and outgoing network traffic. C, to encrypt data. Or D, to boost internet speed?
B.
Correct. It is in fact B. Question 2. In the reliability pillar of cloud well-architected principles, what is a key practice to ensure system availability? A, use of a single availability zone for resources. B, automatic scaling to meet demand. C, manual monitoring of application performance. Or D, disabling health checks on load balancers?
B.
Correct, it is B. Well done. On to your third question. What is the purpose of load balancing in cloud computing? A, ensuring data is replicated across multiple regions. B, distributing network or application traffic across multiple servers to improve performance and reliability. C, increasing the amount of available storage. Or D, automatically scaling resources based on traffic?
B again.
Correct. Well done. You have got 3 out of 3. Great start, Tom. Okay, Michael, are you ready?
Yes, yeah.
Question 1. Which of the following is not a programming language? A, Python, B, JavaScript, C, Perl, or D, Excel?
D.
Correct. Excel is the correct answer. It is, of course, a spreadsheet software, not a programming language. Lovely. On to question 2. When deploying an application, which method allows you to test 2 versions simultaneously on different user groups? A, blue-green deployment, B, rolling deployment, C, A/B testing, or D, canary deployment?
C.
Correct. Well done. It is C. And now for your third question. What is edge computing? A, storing data on local devices instead of the cloud. B, processing data closer to the source or user to reduce latency. C, running applications on low-powered devices. Or D, increasing the bandwidth of cloud services.
I think it's B.
You think correctly. Well done.
Cool.
And at the end of that, Michael, you have 3 out of 3. Congratulations. Well done. Well, that concludes round 1 of the quiz. Let's see what those scores look like. Okay, at the end of round 1, we have Val with 1 point, we have Tom with 3, and Michael has also got 3. It's all to play for. But that is just the start for our Quiz Tech Whizzies. We have got another round on the way. Remember, all of our players are playing for a chance to win that scholarship. So, all to play for. Val, how are you feeling after round 1?
So.
So. You were first to go, so...
No, it don't matter, but hey.
So, right, you've still got time to get some more points. All right, Tom, can you tell me a little bit about what kind of job you would like to do in the tech industry?
Yeah, I'd like to get into, perform the role of a cloud engineer.
Great, well, hopefully this will get you into that.
Hopefully.
So let's move on to round 2. This is the quickfire round. That is where we get to use these fun buzzers. The first contestant will buzz in if they know the answer, but if you get the answer wrong, the point will go to the next player who buzzes in with the correct answer. Contestants, are you ready? Let's play the Great Tech Quiz. Fingers on buzzers. Question 1. What is the default port number used to SSH into a Linux virtual machine? Tom.
443.
Incorrect. Val.
22.
Correct. Well done. Question 2. Fingers on buzzers. What cloud agnostic infrastructure as code tool automates building and managing infrastructure across multiple cloud platforms? I think, Michael, you had it there first.
Is it Terraform?
Correct. Well done. Question 3. This is a multiple choice question. Which pillar of the cloud well-architected framework focuses on managing systems in the cloud using automation and monitoring? A, operational excellence, B, security, C, performance efficiency, or D, reliability? Val.
C.
Incorrect. You are frozen out, I'm afraid. I like your chance, though. He's chancing. Michael.
D, reliability.
It's incorrect. Go for it, Tom.
A.
Correct. Well done. Question 4. In computing, what does CPU stand for? Val, you had it there.
Central Processing Unit.
Correct. Well done. Question 5. What does VPN stand for? Oh, I'm going to say, Michael, you got that first.
Is it Virtual Private Network?
It is correct.
Thank you.
That was very close. Question 6. In cloud security, what does IAM stand for? Michael was in there again first.
Identity and Access Manager.
Correct.
No, management.
Management.
Yeah, it's wrong.
Well, it's the
There we
same
go.
idea.
It's
though, right?
manager,
It's the
it's
same
management.
concept.
You get the point. Val's here with a fighting spirit, I like it. And the final question of round 2. Name an open source containerism. Oh, I've not even finished the question. Do you want the rest of the question? Platform that allows developers to build, run, and manage containers.
It's
Michael.
Docker.
Correct. Well done. Oh, that was intense. Okay, at the end of our buzz round, we have scores on the doors are Val has 3 points, Tom has 4 points, and Michael has 7 points. Feeling stuck in your cloud career journey? You're not alone. Many aspiring cloud professionals waste time learning the wrong technologies, struggle to build meaningful projects, and fail to make an impression on recruiters. But it doesn't have to be this way. Our free guide, 3 simple steps to your first cloud job, is here to help you overcome these challenges. In this guide, you'll learn how to identify and focus most in-demand cloud skills, build standout projects that showcase your expertise, create a resume that makes recruiters stop and pay attention, and interview in a way that leaves hiring managers impressed. You don't have to navigate this journey alone. This guide provides a clear roadmap to get you closer to your dream cloud job. Don't wait. Download your free copy now and start making real progress today. Things are hotting up here on the Great Tech Quiz as we enter the 3rd round, the drop-off round. This is where we're going to perhaps lose a contestant if they don't make it through. We have multiple choice questions. Now, each contestant will get to choose an easy or a hard question. If they choose an easy question and get it correct, they will gain 2 points. However, if they get it wrong, they will drop 2 points. If they choose a hard question and get it correct, they're going to gain 4 points. But you guessed it, if they get it wrong, they're going to drop 4. So things can really start to move in this round. The lowest score at the end of this round will be sent home. So it's all to play for. Let's play the Great Tech Quiz. All right, Val, you're going to go first. Are you ready?
Yes.
And would you like to do a hard or an easy question? Oh, hard, you're straight in. Okay, I like it. All right, Val, your hard question. In a cloud-native architecture, what is the key advantage of using microservices? A, they allow you to store large amounts of data efficiently. B, each service can be deployed, updated, and scaled independently. C, they ensure data is encrypted at rest and in transit. Or D, they reduce the need for a database.
B.
You want to go for it?
Yes.
Well, no wonder, because it's correct. Well done.
Yes.
So that paid off. You have gained 4 points. All right. Next up, it's Tom. Do you want to go for a easy or hard question?
I'll go for a hard one as well, please.
Hard one? Okay, this is your question. So this is a scenario-based question. A company is experiencing latency issues with its cloud application due to the geographic distance between users and the data center. What cloud solution would best address this issue? Here are your options. A, cloud bursting. B, multi-cloud deployment. C, content delivery network, CDN. Or D, virtual private network, VPN.
D.
It's incorrect. It was actually C, content delivery network. See, you knew it. You knew it, really. Okay, on to Michael. Would you like an easy or hard question?
I'll go for an easy one.
Easy question. Yeah. All right, here is your question. What is serverless computing? A, running applications without servers. B, using smaller servers for better performance. C, running code without provisioning or managing servers. Or D, using cloud services without a subscription.
I think it's C.
Correct. It is C, running code without provisioning or managing services. Well done. We have come to the end of round 3, which means we are going to lose a contestant. The winning 2 contestants will head into the last final round to have a head-to-head to see who makes it to that final with the chance to win the scholarship worth £3,000. With 9 points, the first person making it through to the head-to-head is Michael. Well done. With 7 points, the next person through to play for that head-to-head to then get into the final is Val. Well done. Which means, unfortunately, Tom, we're going to be losing you. You've been an absolute joy to have on the quiz. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
Well done. It's round 4, the head-to-head round, where we're going to find out who is going to make it through to the final with an opportunity to win that Cloud Career Mentorship. That last round was a bit intense. How are we feeling?
Good.
Yeah, you're still here. You're feeling
I'm
good.
still here. I made it.
And Michael, what would it mean for you to get through to the final?
I think it would mean that it'd be a life-changing opportunity.
Yeah.
For sure.
Excellent. All right. Well, let's see what's going to happen. In the head-to-head round, each contestant is going to be asked 5 questions. The player with the most points is going to go first. That is Michael. However, I'm going to reset the scores to 0. So it's an even playing field. Whoever wins the head-to-head is going to make it to that final and claim victory. Okay, are you ready? Michael, you're going to go first. Let's play the final round of the Great Tech Quiz. Question 1 is a scenario-based question. A business requires high availability for its web application and wants to distribute traffic across multiple servers to ensure reliability. What cloud feature should they use? A. Content Delivery Network, CDN. B. Autoscaling. C. Load balancing. Or D. Virtual Private Cloud, VPC.
I think the answer's C.
Correct. Well done, Michael. Okay, Val, ready for your question. What does the alias command do in Linux? A. Creates a shortcut for longer command. B. Changes file ownership. C. Deletes files. Or D. Displays a list of processes.
I'll go for B.
Incorrect. B. It changes the file ownership. The answer was A. It creates a shortcut for a longer command. Okay, back to Michael. Ready?
Yeah.
What is the benefit of using a content delivery network, CDN, in cloud hosting? A. Faster access to static content for global users. B. Reducing the size of data backups. C. Securing user accounts with multi-factor authentication. Or D. Encrypting traffic between users and servers.
I believe it's A.
Correct. Well done. Okay, Val. What is horizontal scaling in cloud computing? Is it A, increasing the processing power of a single server? B, adding more servers to distribute the load? C, backing up data to multiple locations? Or D, increasing network bandwidth?
B.
Correct. B, adding more servers to distribute the load. Well done. Okay, back to you, Michael. What does the PS command do in Linux? A, shows all mounted file systems. B, lists running processes on the system. C, displays the last reboot time. Or D, shows file permissions.
I think it's D, shows file permissions.
Incorrect. It was in fact B, it lists running processes on the system. Okay, back to Val. A scenario-based question. A business needs to store sensitive data in the cloud and ensure that no third parties, including the cloud provider, can access the data. What encryption strategy should they use? A, server-side encryption with cloud provider keys. B, client-side encryption. C, multi-region encryption, or D, API-based encryption?
A.
Incorrect. The answer was B, client-side encryption. A, it uses the cloud provider's key, which doesn't guarantee that full isolation. Back to Michael. When it comes to application deployment, how does rolling deployment differ from other deployment methods? A, it deploys to all servers at once. B, it gradually deploys new versions server by server. C, it requires an entirely new environment. Or D, it requires traffic to be stopped during deployment.
I think it's B.
Correct. Well done. Okay, Val. This question is to stay in the game. It's a scenario-based question. Your cloud application has high security requirements, and you want to separate different workloads on dedicated physical hardware. Which cloud service should you choose? A, shared instances. B, spot instances. C, dedicated hosts. Or D, reserved instances.
C.
Correct. It is. Still in the game, Val. Whew. Okay, Michael. If you get this question right, you have won the game and you've made it through to the final. Here is your question. It's a scenario-based question. You have a business critical application running on a cloud virtual machine or VM. To improve fault tolerance, which design pattern should you follow? A, use a single VM instance with a backup AMI. B, spread VM instances across multiple availability zones. C, keep all VM instances in a single AZ with replication. D, use the largest VM instance size available.
I think it's B.
You think it's B? You would be correct. Congratulations, Michael. You have made it to the final. Well done, Val. A really good game. Thank you so much. At the end of that round, Val had 2 points and Michael had 4, which means Michael is going to make it through to that final with a chance of winning that scholarship. Val, you played a great game. Thank you for being here.
That's fun.
How do you feel?
Had fun.
Good.
So, hey, was good. I'm alright. I'm good.
Excellent. Well, I'm glad you had fun. That's the main
I
thing.
had fun. Yeah, I did.
Michael, congratulations. How do you feel?
Thank you. You know, I'm really excited that I won. And
Good.
It's a good game.
Yeah, you played a really good game. Excited to have you in the final.
Thank you.
Join us next time on the Great Tech Quiz to see who's going to be joining Michael in the final to play for that scholarship. And if you found it quite easy to play at home, then why not apply to come on the show? Check the link in the description for all the details. See you next time. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed it. The next video will be out next week, but if you're watching from the future, you can click here to watch it. If you want a free video on a great strategy you can follow to break into the cloud industry, you can click here.